Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Shopify inventory with TradeGecko, full guide step by step clearly. To update Shopify inventory with TradeGecko, first, log into your TradeGecko account. Navigate to the inventory section on the left sidebar. Select the Products tab to view your product list. Locate the product you want to update. Click on the product to open its details page. Scroll down to find the inventory section. Here, you can edit the quantity of the product. Enter the new inventory level in the quantity field. If you want to adjust inventory for multiple locations, click on Locations. Enter the desired stock levels for each location as necessary. After making your changes, look for the Save button. Click Save to update the product details in TradeGecko. Next, go to the Orders tab in the left sidebar. Select Sync to update your Shopify store with the new inventory levels. Choose the option to sync inventory with Shopify. TradeGecko will then communicate with your Shopify store. Wait for the sync process to complete. Check your Shopify store to confirm the inventory has been updated. If you have multiple products to update, you can repeat the process for each one. For bulk inventory updates, consider using the CSV import feature in TradeGecko. Navigate to the Products tab again and select Import. Upload your CSV file with updated inventory quantities. Follow the prompts to complete the import process. Verify that all inventory changes reflect correctly in both TradeGecko and Shopify. Always monitor your inventory levels regularly to maintain accuracy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.